Hola, my amigo friends. So we're going to do another house tour here. So let's get at her. Hope everyone's doing well, and we truly appreciate your support. Hola, my amigo friends. So we're at the shark house, we're going to call it. This has a pretty big backyard. We're going to go in and view this place here. Again, we're in Chicxulub. We're plenty early though, that's the problem. We're about 15-20 minutes early, so we got a street dog here. And this is it right here. It's got a huge backyard. To take a peek. Oh, a big pool too. Oh wow. This is pretty nice. This place has a big pool and a bar. Wow. Looks like it might have central air. There's an AC on top there. Yeah, this looks alright. Anyway, we'll wait for the realtor and get inside and have a peek, my friends. Hold on to your hats. Okay, so we're at the back here looking in. This place actually has parking. It's got a really big backyard. So there's your parking there. There's the back of the house on the side. Oh, he's home, marking his territory already. Oh, we got a little guy. You guys be nice.
Esta palapa se va a terminar de hacer. Se le van a poner el techito de puros palitos.
Very nice. Bueno. Oh, got a nice barbecue too. Nice. Nice.
Y le digo, puros palitos va a ser arriba.
Yeah, yeah.
Y llegan y ya.
Yeah. Very nice. Excelente. Ah, here you go. Shade, you can eat out here. Have your lunch, dinner. Hola.
Esposo, mi nieta.
Oh. Fairly big.
Esta es salir a la playa, a la alberca. Está cerrado ahorita. Pero esto se abre.
So, master bedroom with the bathroom. A nice big shower. We'll take a peek. I would change that head. A little closet here. And you got access to the outside from the master bedroom. Those got cable internet. Looks like that's standard for all of this area. So it'll be high-speed internet. Not fiber optics, but... Oh, here's another bedroom.
Sí, sí.
Nice and cool in here.
Tiradero, pero es que ahorita nos quedamos a dormir hoy acá y estamos
The
desayunando.
bathroom.
Ese es boiler para tener agua caliente. Es por acá.
Yeah.
Para los dos baños.
And this room's got AC. Did the master bedroom have AC? I didn't notice.
Yes.
Okay, so the master bedroom's got AC. And you got the kitchen. Oh, fair size fridge anyway.
Este refri tiene igual para dispensador de agua
Yeah,
y
yeah,
fábrica de hielo.
yeah. Excellent.
Y acá sale uno para el patio.
Yeah, and then you got parking out here.
And October, ¿verdad?
Hasta septiembre.
So the backyard.
Y Claude, condiciones como, ¿qué incluye?
Pues yo pagaría el agua
Ujú.
y la basura, que lo
Ok.
pago al mar. Y
la
ya
luz.
ustedes la luz y
Limpiar.
ya ustedes. O sea, ustedes la luz, limpiar la alberca y el internet.
Ok.
Y yo el agua y la basura. La casa en el patio.
Y como,
Acá hay otro baño. Ajá, depósito y el
Oh,
y
okay.
te puedes
Yeah,
estacionar carro.
excelente. Perfect.
Ya puede ser acá o puede ser allá adelante, pero pues nosotros siempre le sugerimos que los
Oh, you got an outdoor bathroom.
tengan todo el espacio.
And the shower.
Y esta es una bodeguita. Esta normalmente, como siempre la rento fines de semana, vacaciones, pues esta es donde guardo mis cosas de limpieza. Pero si ustedes la agarran pues, por un año, pues ya estaría disponible para ustedes.
this is storage and you can use it.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, see. Good. Excellent. Cool. Yeah, this I love the outdoor living space. It's beautiful. Beautiful. With the pool and very nice. Very, very nice. Anything else you want to see? How much was this place?
16,000 por mes?
Sí.
Sí. Sorry. No habla español. Yo recuerdo. 16,000 pesos.
Oh, okay. Bueno. Bueno. Excellent. Yeah, it's cable internet too, right?
Internet.
Well, my friends, we really liked the outdoor living space in this house. It was quite amazing, actually. But the house itself was not for us. So obviously, we didn't pick this house. Take care, my friends, and thanks for following along. Adios, amigos.